What if your next road trip didn't just take you somewhere, but became your home along the way? Let's check out something that turns that dream into reality. Welcome back to YYD Auto, the channel where we dive deep into the latest and greatest machines redefining how we travel, explore, and live on the road. A rugged, modern evolution of one of America's most trusted workhorses. Starting with design, the 2026 GMC Savana Overland Camper strikes a perfect balance between functionality and rugged appeal. Its lifted suspension and heavy-duty off-road tires make it clear this van means business. The Overland package adds skid plates, side protection rails, and an integrated roof rack with solar panels and additional LED light bars for nighttime exploration. Around back, a rear-mounted spare tire and ladder emphasize its off-grid readiness. GMC's designers managed to maintain the Savana's familiar silhouette, but gave it new proportions and purpose, transforming a traditional van into a true expedition vehicle ready to take on deserts, forests, or icy mountain passes with equal confidence. Inside, the 2026 Savana Overland Camper takes comfort and practicality to a new level. The cabin is designed for long-term travel, with premium materials and ergonomic precision. Powering this machine is a 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine, producing around 445 horsepower and an immense 910 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and advanced all-wheel drive, the Savana Overland performs effortlessly whether you're towing or climbing. Its adaptive suspension and optimized diesel systems deliver a smoother, more efficient ride, crucial for extended off-grid travel. When it comes to technology, GMC has packed the Savana Overland with everything from modern expedition life. A 15-inch infotainment screen, full 360 degrees camera system, terrain tracking, and a smart power management system all work together seamlessly. The living area includes voice-controlled lighting, Wi-Fi, and satellite connectivity, keeping you connected even hundreds of miles away from civilization. Safety remains a top priority. With a reinforced steel frame, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and off-road safety systems like descent control and torque vectoring, this van is prepared for any challenge. Additional sensors, airbags, and fire suppression systems make it one of the safest campers in its class. Starting at around $225,000, it already includes a four-wheel drive system, solar roof, and full living module. Upgrades like luxury interiors or extended batteries can push the price near $300,000, still competitive against other expedition rigs. With its reliability and service support, it's not just a purchase, but an investment in freedom and adventure. The Savana Overland Camper is practical, durable, and genuinely usable. Compact enough for cities, yet tough enough for weeks off-grid. Built not just to survive the wilderness, but to help you thrive in it. In conclusion, the 2026 GMC Savana Overland Camper represents the evolution of the American van, freedom, comfort, and technology combined into one bold package. Reliable, smart, and ready for the unknown. A true companion for explorers who see the journey as the destination. So, what do you think of the 2026 GMC Savana Overland Camper? Would you take this machine across the Rockies or through the Mojave Desert? Let me know in the comments below, and as always, drive bold, live free, and keep exploring.